Madan football plang plastik la plim takasngi ka alpanyo tarik ujum mang ajar pesan harong rengkli Williamnagar East Karo Hills. Kani Madan kan plila jigi samla haka jinga kai football haka tika tany bal apli da mutrang ba ka jila Conrad kisang ma. Habukran haka ni kasngi Conrad loong ba absan teli gi Madan gi bakum kani kidang ya haka jing trei kat ba salai absan teli insan mang syusyu ban sina haka leng ke jila. Walang ba kaspa ka bar bentam kadai gi samla bat ladala ban ai gi jaka ka babyang kan plilat nakamta jongki nakamta kaspa jongki jelahi bat ban pelong ro ya kami khaya kum kakal khana panmi ne ka ba pona ma kari kum kadak ba play kani Madan terang ba ola Thep kol sundan jlang hakani sngi kadon ro gi ka prok apdang ga East Karo Hills bat ka West Karo Hills.
So we are here in Williamnagar, and we, along with our local MLA, our Soil Conservation Minister, we have just inaugurated this beautiful artificial turf, and as you can see, it's a full-size football ground, and I'm sure that with the inauguration of this particular ground, it will be a great blessing for especially the youth of this area. And like this, there are close to about 25 plus artificial turfs which are being constructed as we are speaking, and another 25 is going to be sanctioned. So by the end of all of this, we should be having close to 50 such artificial turfs throughout the state. And as I said, this is going to be a big boost towards our goal to make Meghalaya the football capital and the football center powerhouse for the country as a whole. So with that focus and with that vision, we are going forward, and I'm very happy that this wonderful football field with artificial turf today is being inaugurated out here in Williamnagar.